Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the quickest, most critical step. Turn off Orientation Lock and Control Center and test rotation. Once done, open the app you expect to rotate and try rotating the device. Some apps intentionally remain portrait. Make sure display zoom is set to standard because zoomed mode can prevent rotation. If the screen still won't rotate, don't stop here. Power cycling and deeper system checks are next, since software settings often cause the problem more than hardware. Now you'll eliminate common software culprits. Restart the iPhone first. If that fails, perform a force restart to refresh sensors. Next, install any pending iOS update because Apple often fixes rotation bugs. Check accessibility. Turn off zoom, switch control, and guided access, each of which can lock orientation. Also verify display zoom is standard under display and brightness so the UI can rotate. Once these steps are complete, test rotation again across multiple apps to confirm whether the issue is resolved. To finish, perform reset all settings to restore system defaults without erasing data. This often clears persistent orientation conflicts. If rotation still fails, back up your iPhone and perform a full restore or DFU restore using a computer. This rules out deep software faults. If rotation remains non-functional after a clean restore, the problem is almost certainly hardware. The accelerometer/gyroscope or the logic board needs repair. If that happens, make an
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.